Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best earbud case is probably one of the most underrated yet essential accessories for anyone who values their premium audio gear, offering crucial protection against drops, scratches, and the elements while ensuring your expensive earbuds are always safe, organized, and ready to go, transforming a simple carrying solution into a statement of care for your daily tech companion. Number 5. AirPods AirPods 1-2 Silicone Case with Keychain and Cleaning Pen. Designed specifically for Apple AirPods first and second generation, this case ensures a snug fit. You can easily see the front LED indicator while charging, keeping you informed. Crafted from high-quality, soft silicone, it offers superior flexibility and shock absorption. This protective cover shields your earbuds from daily bumps, drops, and scratches without adding bulk. It comes with a convenient carabiner clip for easy attachment to your bags or backpacks, preventing loss. Plus, a versatile 3-in-1 cleaning pen is included to keep them pristine. Its one-piece construction ensures the lid stays securely attached, preventing accidental detachment. A built-in dust plug keeps the charging port sealed and clean when not in use. Each package includes the protective case, a carabiner, and a cleaning pen. You'll have everything needed to protect and maintain your valuable earbuds, along with a 12-month protection plan. What we like. This case offers comprehensive protection with its soft silicone and one-piece design, ensuring your earbuds are safe from daily bumps and drops. It even comes with an integrated cleaning pen to keep your earbuds pristine. If you prioritize all-around protection and appreciate added utility like a cleaning tool, this is an excellent choice for you. What people say. Number 4. SUNGUY 5-pack earbud case with carabiners. Introducing our new portable earbud cases. These pocket-sized pouches are designed for ultimate convenience, easily fitting into your bag or pocket for any journey. We've included extra carabiners for even more versatility. You can effortlessly attach them to your backpack, ensuring your essentials are always within reach. Rest assured, your valuable items are safe. They feature a high-quality hard case with a durable zipper, complemented by a soft inner velvet lining for superior protection. These cases are incredibly versatile. Use them to neatly store your earphones, memory cards, charging cables, keys, or other small accessories, keeping everything organized. You'll receive a convenient 5-pack, each with its own carabiner. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 12-month warranty, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This product stands out by offering a fantastic 5-pack, giving you multiple cases for different uses or family members. Its hard EVA shell provides superior protection against impacts, and the versatile design allows it to store not just earbuds but also SD cards, coins, and other small essentials. If you need multiple durable cases for various small items or want great value, this pack is perfect. What people say. Number 3. Decibullz Zipper Headphones Carrying Case. Introducing the Decibullz Zipper Headphones Carrying Case. This essential accessory is meticulously designed to safeguard your valuable earphones and earplugs. It offers superior protection for your earbuds, headphones, and even custom-molded earplugs. Keep all your audio essentials secure, no matter where your day takes you. Featuring a rugged EVA shell, this case is built to withstand daily wear and tear. Its soft interior lining cradles your devices, preventing scratches and damage. With its compact, pocket-sized form factor, it's incredibly easy to carry. Slip it into your bag, pocket for effortless portability. This case is perfect for a variety of items, from in-ear monitors to custom-molded earphones. It ensures everything stays organized and protected. Despite its small exterior, it offers ample internal space, measuring 3 by 2 by 1 inches. This ensures a snug fit for your devices without unnecessary bulk. What we like. Designed with a rugged EVA shell and a soft interior, this case offers robust protection specifically for your earphones, earbuds, or even custom earplugs. Its compact, pocket-sized form factor makes it incredibly easy to carry without adding bulk. If you're an audiophile looking for dedicated, tough protection for your valuable in-ear monitors or custom earplugs, this case is built for you. What people say. No reviews available in the source JSON to extract points from. The provided source JSON is empty, so no positive points could be identified or quoted. Number 2. Pink Mini Universal Earbud Carrying Case. Tired of tangled earbuds or lost accessories? This compact case offers the perfect solution for keeping your small items safe and organized. It's designed to simplify your daily carry. Crafted from supreme quality EVA material, it's crush-resistant, anti-shock, and weather-resistant. This ensures your valuable gadgets are protected from daily wear and tear. Don't just store earbuds, this versatile pouch is perfect for charging cables, memory cards, USB drives, and even keys or coins. Its inner pocket secures items, preventing movement. Featuring a mesh style with a zipper enclosure, it keeps everything secure. The soft cloth-lined interior gently cradles your earphones, while the hard shell exterior provides robust protection. With its lightweight and compact design, it's easy to hold or slip into any bag. You can even attach it to your backpack with a carabiner for ultimate convenience on the go. What we like. This holder is crafted from supreme quality, crush-resistant EVA material, providing excellent anti-shock and weather-resistant properties. It features a convenient inner mesh pocket to secure charging cables or small accessories, preventing tangles. If you need a lightweight yet highly protective case that also helps organize your cables, this compact and functional option is ideal. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 1. AIRSPO AirPods Earbud Case, Gray Pink Rose. This small organizer box is perfect for a wide range of devices. It can hold your AirPods, Galaxy Buds, Bose, Beats, or Sony wireless earplugs, along with other small essentials. Featuring pretty and elegant prints, this case stands out. Our upgraded printing technology ensures a unique and fashionable look, designed specifically for you. An inside mesh pocket provides excellent protection for your cables and small gadgets. It keeps them organized, preventing tangles and scratches. Made with a water-resistant EVA hard shell and a soft inner liner, it offers multi-protection. This durable case effectively shields your headphones and small items from drops, bumps, and scratches. Its pocket-sized design makes it incredibly lightweighted and easy to carry. Plus, the included carabiner allows you to conveniently attach it to your backpack or bag. What we like. What truly sets this case apart are its exquisite and unique printing designs, allowing you to express your personal style. Beyond aesthetics, its water-resistant EVA hard shell offers great protection, and it boasts wide compatibility with various earbud brands like AirPods, Galaxy Buds, Bose, and Sony. If you value a case that combines strong protection with a fashionable look and works with many different earbud models, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no positive points could be extracted for the earbud case holder. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.